w is not 0. So that's something to the 0. Well, if we're not doing 0 to the 0, it's 1. Multiply and simplify. This is going to be adding the exponents. Z to the 13th. Once again, we're going to add the exponents here. So we'll have z to the negative 3 plus 8 minus 8. Well, these 8s are just going to cancel out. So we'll have z to the negative 3. But we can't have that. We got to use positive exponents only. So that's 1 divided by z cubed. Great. 21. We're looking to simplify this. And since I can't combine the x and the z, we're going to start by distributing. And this will be x to the negative 6 times the negative 5, x to the 30th. Then we'll have z to the negative 8 times the negative 5, z to the 40th. And that's as simplified as we can get it. Great. 22. Convert to scientific notation. Okay, let's count. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. This is going to be equal to 1.3 times 10 to the negative 7. Ooh, division with scientific notation. Well, we're going to take 3.0 and divide it by 6.0. So 6 dividing into 3.0, 0.5, which is 5 times 10 to the negative 1. Now, let's do the exponent bits. We've got 10 to the 8th divided by 10 to the 9th. That's 10 to the 8 minus 9, 10 to the negative 1. Okay. 5 times 10 to the negative 1 times 10 to the negative 1. Oops. Got ahead of myself. And be a negative 2. So this is 5 times 10 to the negative 2. We back out 1 decimal. We back out another. That's backing out 2 decimals. Great. Evaluate this polynomial for x equals negative 1. Negative 8x plus 3 is negative 8 times a negative 1 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Identify the coefficient of each term. Okay. Coefficient of the first term is negative 9. The second is 4. The third is this negative 4.7. The fourth term is 3. And the fifth term is negative 2. Cool. Let's add. I'm going to rewrite it because my handwriting is bigger than this typing. And I'm going to get everything all lined up in columns. And we'll have 21 minus 90 is 69, so a negative 69 plus 3x plus 13x squared. Cool. Subtract. Once again, I'm going to get everything all lined up. So 2x to the 4th plus 2x cubed minus 7x squared. And now I'm going to change all of the signs here. So that's plus 9x to the 4th. It's going to go plus, plus, minus, minus. Plus 3x cubed minus 4x minus 3. 11x to the 4th plus 5x cubed minus 7x squared minus 4x minus 3. Whew. Next. Let's multiply. Cool. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 6 is 12x. 7 times x is 7x. And 7 times 6 is 42. We can combine to get 19x. So this is 2x squared plus 19x plus 42. Again. So this will be x cubed plus 5x. Let's space that out a little bit. Plus 5x. See, now we'll have room for 6x squared. Yeah. And then plus 30. X cubed plus 6x squared plus 5x plus 30. Great. Nothing combined in this one. More multiplying, except this time, take a look. We've got a minus and a plus. We've got 3t minus 5 times 3t plus 5. They differ by the signs, so this is going to be 3t squared minus 5 squared. That's 9t squared minus 25. Evaluate the polynomial when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 4. Okay. 2 squared minus 3 times negative 4 squared plus 2 times negative 4. My goodness. Exponents first. 4 minus 3 times 16 plus 2 times a negative 4. Now we multiply. 4 minus 48 plus, minus 16. 4 minus 64, so a negative 60. All right. Multiply. Okay. 7z times 5z is 35z squared. 7z times 6u is plus 42zu. Negative u times 5z is minus 5zu. And then negative u times 6u is minus 6u squared. Okay. These combine. Plus 37zu. I'm doing zu because they gave us the problem with the z's in front. So I figured I'd keep doing it that way, even though it goes against our alphabetical convention. Divide. Okay, so we're going to have 42x to the 4th over 6x, 7x cubed, minus 24x cubed over 6x. So that's minus 4x squared, plus 30x over 6x. That's plus 5. All done, and that's our review.